Movie review by M.Muqtasid.dar, Home Alone. Director, Chris Columbus. Writer, John Hughes. Cast, Macaulay Culkin, Joe Pesci, Daniel Stern, Catherine O'Hara, John Hurd. Home Alone is a comedy and family film that revolves around 8-year-old Kevin McAllister, played by Macaulay Culkin. During the Christmas holidays, his family hurriedly prepares to leave for Paris, and in all the chaos, Kevin is accidentally left behind at home. At first, he enjoys the freedom, watching TV, eating burgers, and doing whatever he pleases without any restrictions. However, things take a turn when two burglars, Harry and Marv, plan to rob his house. Kevin not only manages to take care of himself, but also bravely and cleverly defends his home. He sets up a series of traps throughout the house, and the burglars end up getting hilariously defeated at every step. Eventually, Kevin's mother struggles to make her way back and finally reunites with him on Christmas Day, embracing him with love and relief. The central themes of Home Alone are family, self-confidence, and the intelligence of children. The film highlights how even children can act wisely in tough situations and that we often realize the true value of home and loved ones when we're alone. Kevin's character is the heart of the movie. His innocence, mischief, and cleverness not only make the audience laugh but also leave a lasting impression. The villains, Harry and Marv, are portrayed in a comical way, which keeps the tone of the movie light and entertaining. Chris Columbus beautifully portrays the emotions and fears of a child. The film's production, soundtrack, and scenes perfectly capture the festive Christmas spirit. The biggest strength of Home Alone is its humor. Kevin's creative traps, the burglars' screams, and their repeated failures are endlessly entertaining. Home Alone is a timeless family movie that appeals to audiences of all ages. It's not just a laugh riot, but also carries a heartfelt message about home, love, and appreciating each other. Even today, it is considered one of the best Christmas movies ever made. Rating, 4.5/5.